Washtucna. I am Grandfather Eagle Soaring Overhead. My grandson has once again used his drone technology to film the transition between winter and spring. And as you are approaching the beginning of spring, this is a very appropriate energy for you to realize. In this beautiful video, you can see ice still formed on the Palouse waterfall all around it, and yet there is water flowing abundantly, which of course, as the temperatures climb, will make most of this beautiful snow around it flow as well. This is a beautiful metaphor for what happens to an individual as they come from winter into spring. Spring is not just the idea of the energy of awakening and people stirring and animals stirring to have relationships. Spring is the energy of renewal, bringing a fresh breath back into life. And as you look at all this snow and you look at these magnificent cliffs where the Palouse waterfall exists, let yourself feel what is permanent within you, what is your cliff, what is your foundation, how sturdy and strong your energy is, and how it has brought you through this cold of winter, through the snow, and will soon bring you into the springtime and into the flow of the water. As you look at this beautiful and very poetic vision of the water coming to the waterfall, remember, the flow is always there, but in spring you can feel it. So let yourself be rebirthed into springtime and into feeling this wondrous flow of spring, this wondrous flow of water melting away from the coldness into the warmth. Let yourself feel that splash at the bottom of the waterfall as you unite with everything else that is also experiencing the beauty of springtime and the poetic and energetic energy of rebirth. This is good. This is the vision of the eagle, and this is the work of my grandson. Danaho.